top 6 vitamins to look younger fast. Your secret weapon for radiant skin. What if you could turn back the clock on your skin without expensive treatments or drastic measures? The answer might be hiding in your pantry or skincare shelf. Today, we're revealing the 6 powerhouse vitamins that can help you look younger, fresher, and more vibrant, almost instantly. But here's the truth. Skipping these vitamins could be aging you faster than you think. Dull skin, fine lines, and that tired, sagging look? Often it's not just genetics. It's a nutrient deficiency. And the good news? Fixing it is easier than you'd imagine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vitamins to use, how to use them, and why they're your skin's best friends. Let's dive in and unlock the secret to timeless beauty. Number 1. Retinol Vitamin A, the age-reversing powerhouse. First up, retinol, the gold standard of anti-aging. Think of it as your skin's personal renovation crew, sloughing off dead cells, boosting collagen, and smoothing out wrinkles like magic. Studies show retinol can reduce fine lines by up to 40% in just 12 weeks. It's like hitting the reset button on your skin. Pro tip. Start with a 0.25% retinol serum at night, then work your way up. And never skip sunscreen. Retinol makes your skin sun-sensitive. Food hacks. Load up on sweet potatoes, carrots, and spinach. Your skin will thank you with a glow that rivals a highlighter. Number 2. Vitamin C, the brightening bodyguard. Next, meet vitamin C, your skin's brightening shield-bearing knight. It fights dark spots, boosts collagen, and neutralizes free radicals like a pro. Research shows vitamin C lightens hyperpigmentation and smooths texture in weeks. Plus, it teams up with sunscreen to double UV protection. Talk about a power duo. How to use. Apply a 10 to 20% vitamin C serum in the AM for maximum glow. Eat your way younger. Citrus, bell peppers, and strawberries are your new BFFs. Number 3. Vitamin E, the hydration hero. Say hello to vitamin E, your skin's ultimate moisture lock. It strengthens your skin barrier, heals scars, and calms inflammation like a soothing hug. Studies prove vitamin E improves skin elasticity by 40% in just 8 weeks. Slather it on at night for wake-up and glow skin. Snack smart. Almonds, avocados, and sunflower seeds equals crunch your way to youth. Number 4. Vitamin D, the sunshine savior. Don't underestimate vitamin D. Low levels are linked to dry, aging skin. It boosts cell renewal and fights inflammation, like nature's Botox. Get it? Spend 10 to 15 minutes in sunlight daily with SPF, or grab fatty fish and fortified milk. Number 5. Vitamin K, the dark circle slayer. Tired of looking tired? Vitamin K strengthens capillaries, fading dark circles and bruises fast. Green is your friend. Kale, spinach, and broccoli equal skin's natural eraser. Number 6. Niacin Vitamin B3, the multitasking miracle. Last but not least, niacin. It smooths texture, reduces redness, and boosts moisture like a 5-star skincare. Research shows niacinamide improves skin tone by 30% in 4 weeks. Game changer. Eat it, wear it. Chicken, peanuts, or a 5% niacinamide serum. Your pick. Boom! There you have it. 6 vitamins for youthful skin that actually work. Start today and watch your skin transform. Which vitamin are you trying first? Drop a comment. Smash that like button. And subscribe for more beauty hacks that deliver. See you in the next video. Glowing. Sparkles.